मक्का अपनी मंजिल बनाने लगा, ला मक्का अपनी मंजिल बनाने।
अभी बच्चों का एक मुख्तसर प्रोग्राम बचा हुआ है, बउनवान सवाल जवाब। वो बच्चे आएँ और प्रोग्राम पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
A for
A for Allah, Allah is one, He has made us and all things around us.
B for
B for Bismillah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah.
C for
C for K of Hera, Gare Hera, Dakyo, where the first Surah Ikra of the Quran came on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
D for
D for Dua, to ask for Allah help and guidance.
E for
Eid, Muslim festival, Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Azha.
F
for fast means roza, to abstain from eating and drinking from dawn to dusk.
G for
Jibril, that angel who brought wahi of Allah.
H for
Hajj, pilgrimage of Muslim to Makkah.
I
for Islam, the religion of peace.
K for
Kaaba, house of Allah. Kaaba is the center of the Islamic unity.
L for
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah. Allah Muhammad Prophet.
M for
Mosque means masjid, the place where the pray Muslim to Allah.